Croma, and the first product that I'll be reviewing for Snap Judgment is actually an in-house product. This is a Croma 2249 phone. So it's a great phone actually. It's got a 1.2 GHz quad-core processor, which I think is pretty cool. It also runs a 4.2 Jelly Bean Android operating system. It's got a dual SIM, which is I think pretty good because we know the Indian obsession with dual SIM phones. Now the good thing about this phone is that it has an 8 megapixel camera, which I think was pretty cool. It also has smile and face detection, which actually comes pretty handy. You just have to be careful that when you're doing smile detection, you have to be in good light, otherwise it doesn't really detect it that easily. So what I like about this phone is the fact that it has something called a Croma Assist. A Croma Assist is basically an app and it gives you all the information that you need about the phone right in one app. So all the specifications, what the phone can do and what happens or where you can take it if your phone ever goes through any trouble. What I didn't like about this phone is the fact that it has only a 512 MB RAM, which for a processor like this doesn't really match up to its expectations. So priced at about 7490, it's a pretty decent phone. It also has competition from the likes of Carbon and Spice in this price range, but you should definitely check it out if you're looking for something different. Alright, so now this is done. Let's see what else we can find in this store. So in this summer heat, it is but obvious that I would gravitate to something like this. It's a massive fridge, isn't it? This is Samsung's French door fridge. So the great thing about this is that it runs on something called a digital inverter compressor. And what it really means is the fact that it will save you 40% electricity, which I think is pretty cool when you consider all the really high electricity bills that we have nowadays. So what's really funky about this fridge is the fact that everything that you need can be controlled right here on this panel, right? So you can either cool it in different forms. You have the freezer option, you have a fridge option. Even the freezer temperatures can be controlled. So it can go up to -24 for the freezer and as high as about 10, I think. It also has an alarm. So if you leave your fridge doors open for more than about 3 seconds, the alarm starts to ring, therefore also saving in energy and electricity for you. So it has something called the Bacteria Safe Ionizer, which basically means that it deactivates all the bacteria in the fridge, keeping your food very safe. The very cool thing about this fridge is the fact that it has a separate freezer and a fridge temperature controller. So basically, this is the freezer, and this can act as a fridge and a freezer. So basically you can control both these sections separately using these separate control buttons. Wow, this is really big, isn't it? So it has LED lights, which makes it really easy for you to find stuff whenever you want to. So moving away from the technology aspect of this fridge, what I really like about it is the fact that it has these adjustable trays, which I think is pretty cool, right? So you're not really restricted by the size of the containers that you're really putting into these fridges. So if I'm paying about 2 lakhs for a fridge, I really hope that it can talk, right? Hi, can you hear me? So I guess it doesn't really hear me. Can I get some Coke, like 1 can? That was a fail, so I'm sure I can just go do it myself then. Got my Coke. Continuing with the summer craze, I'm now going to review an air conditioner. So this is the Samsung Inverter series. So the great thing about this is the fact that it comes in a triangular shape. What this design basically does is because it has an inclined top, it sucks in more air, which means that it actually has an air throw of more than 40 meters, which is really cool by AC standards. So it also runs on digital inverter technology. So it actually, your electricity bills are much lower as compared to when you're using other air conditioners. So priced at about 50,000, I hope this AC is as cool as they say it is. So I couldn't help notice this speaker as I was leaving the Croma store. And what better way to end a segment but with a bang.